6.0 CAMMED GMC Sierra. Check it out, guys. Beautiful truck. This is his daily. Sometimes it's got long tube headers on each side. CATLESS. I don't know where he got it done, but I don't mind. It's gonna sound delicious. That's the new word of the day today. And then it's got 3-inch pipe. Continues to a rusted out Delta Flowmaster. Magnaflow. We were talking about Magnaflow, that's why. A rusted out Flowmaster that's not even 3 years old. So Flowmaster, if you're watching, come on guys, step up your game. It's rusting out bad. That's not a good sign. In less than 3 years. So the customer's really disappointed. Anyways, 2.5-inch tailpipe out the back. It's a cute little tip right there. We're gonna reuse. So we're gonna replace this Delta Flow 50 series with the new mufflers we got in. They're called Flow Chasers, part number 92443. Here's what they look like on the inside, if you guys ever wondered. That's what they look like. So they got 3 different applications. There's the part numbers on them. And that's what it looks like on the outside. They're really proud of the name, so they got it stamped in. And that's what it looks like, straight through design. Basically, it's a hybrid of a Magnaflow and a Black Widow. And you come up with Flow Chaser right there. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys see the end result. See what it sounded like before and looked like before. Now let's make it pretty again, like it was before, like the truck, how beautiful the truck is. The exhaust needs to look that beautiful. So what we done, still got the long tube headers there and there, and it's got a cam too, so it's gonna sound really nice. Then 3-inch pipe into a Flow Chaser, as you guys can see, part number 92443. 2.5-inch in, 2.5-inch out, then 2.5-inch tailpipe out the back. It looks so much better than the old rusted stuff. And we put him a brand new hanger on it too. And then we kept his tip. It's got some sentimental value to him. So we left the tip the same. We re-welded it onto the new one. Anyways, it's double wall stainless steel, so it doesn't rust or nothing. There it is out the back. Just clean, nice. Nothing crazy compared to the old Flowmaster that rusted out in less than 3 years, which is a shame. Flowmaster, step up your game. Anyways, there it is. I like the blacked out badging. I was talking about it with him earlier, and he's probably gonna do the bumper next. We'll see. Hope you guys like it, and like always, like, comment, subscribe. Loud. Because of the cat. Oh, it's got no cats on it too. Yeah. I like it. And there's also the Flow Chaser, barely any drone, so we'll see. We can always add a resonate or something like that in to quiet it down more if you need to. Yeah. Test it out for a week or 2 and see how you like it. Yeah. Sound decibels? Wow. Again? Right at 117. I like it. Sounds really nice. What kind of cam is in it?
Brian Tooley Stage 2 cam. Truck cam.
Brian Tooley Stage 2 cam. Truck cam. So if you guys were wondering what it is, you want to replicate it on yours, and it's got long tube headers, so it amplifies it, and it is catless. And guys, we do not do cat delete. Stop calling us and asking for cat delete. We do not delete cats. We put high flow cats, but we do not delete them. Phenomenal. I like the sound. I'll let you guys hear on the inside.
Bluetooth disconnected.
loud? Because of the cat. Oh, it's got no cats on it too. Yeah. I like it. And there's also with the flow chaser barely any drone, so we'll see. We can always add a resonator or something like that in to quiet it down more if you need to.
Yeah.
Test it out for a week or two and see how you like it.
Yeah.
Sound decibels? Wow. Again? Right at 117. I like it. Sounds really nice.
Still sounds good.
12 seconds later.
So he brought it back, guys, and he said it was too loud on the freeway and around town, so he's like, make it quiet. So we made it quiet. We put a stock muffler on it, unfortunately. You can still hear the cam a little bit. Very little, but you can still hear it a little bit.
Yeah, just enough.
So that's perfect. I think that's what we should have went with this from the start.
That way I don't wake up all the neighbors.
Exactly. Enjoy it, man. Give us a nice drive off.
Thank you.
Have a great day. So yeah, round two. He brought it back. It was too loud. So there's a flow chaser. It's in the table. It happens. So this is stock muffler drive off. .6.0 GMC cam. It's still got tone. It's not too bad. For being a stock muffler, it's not too bad. Enjoy it, guys.